This video is a demo video on this server device server, okay, connecting to Modbus RTU device, okay. And this video is demoing uh, 1:1 connection. That means one port is connecting to one device. So for this demo, if you look at my drawing, okay, so I have this server, serial device server over here, okay, COM port, okay, the first port is connecting to a power meter, okay. If you watch my video, okay, the location of my power meter is over here. See my finger, okay. Then this is the variable speed drive, VSD, followed by the three-phase motor over here, okay. So let me show you the cursor. Okay, this is the power meter, VSD, and three-phase motor. Okay, and it's connecting to port 2 is connecting to the VSD. Okay, so over here is actually the schematic drawing. Okay, so over here is my thing pack. Okay, and it's reaching out to the server. Okay, KPS3102A. Okay, and it's actually reaching out to the IP address 192.168.10.249. Okay, so and it's reaching out to two port, okay, 502 and 503. Okay, why do we need to have two port over here? It's because we are reaching out to two different serial communication port, physical port over here. One is COM1 and COM2. COM1 is connecting to the power meter over here, and COM1 is connecting to the power meter, COM2 is connecting to the VSD, and these are all the parameter required. Okay, so let's try to do the configuration and use Modbus Pro to do some uh, power meter data extraction and control the VSD to turn the motor. Okay, let me sort of control this to another page. Okay, so we actually don't need this, we just need this. Okay, so maybe just place this over here so that I can get the, okay, good. So let's open up the okay, good. So let's go to the IP address of 192.166.0.249. Okay, admin. The username is admin. The password is admin again. Okay. Okay. As per usual, I will strongly recommend if you are doing this for the very first time, go to system and do a factory reset over here. But I already did it already. Okay. So go to the server, serial server interface. Okay. Port 1. Okay, which is serial port 1. Okay, so the understanding is, I'd like to take this opportunity to highlight to you that I'm actually using two different baud setting, but talking to the same ID, but it's a separate physical port. So for the first port, port 1, okay, the baud rate is 9600, okay, 8, okay, followed by none. Okay, then followed by, yeah, RS485. Okay, let's turn on to be it to be a server. Change this to Modbus RTU. Okay, and the local TCP IP port will be 502. Okay, so let me check again. Looks okay, and apply. Okay, so the next thing I want to go to is I'm going to go to port number 2. This is port number 2. Okay, and we try to do the same. Okay, let me make the picture smaller so that okay. So but but port 2 I'm using a slightly higher baud rate, which is 19200. Okay, and it's an even parity. Okay, by the way, the bit number of bit data bit, okay, data bit used is 8. Okay, then RS485 over here. Okay, so change this to server. Okay, Modbus RTU also. Okay, but this round, one thing you need to take note is this is 503. Okay, so why I want to do it 503, because so that this package or the data being transferred will be forward to COM2. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, so 502 will forward to COM1, 503 will forward to COM2 as per the setting over here. So let's set, and yeah, that's all. That's all for the setting. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I open up a Modbus pool. Modbus pool. Okay, and this is the Modbus pool. Okay, for this first Modbus pool, I will connect it up. Okay, and I will connect to 192.168.0.249 because I'm reaching out to here. Okay, and take note, the server port will be 502. Okay, and press OK. Okay, oh, you see, I start to have data already, but my interest of data actually start from 8190. Okay, let me change this writing code. 8190. Okay, let's try and click. Should be 2, I think, not 0. And let's have a data of 18. Okay, and yeah, and oh, you see, start to get all this data. Okay, from the data sheet of the power meter, okay, is actually 32-bit 32-bit floating point. Okay, so what I'm going to do is change this. So this is actually the voltage of my power supply now. Okay, and yeah, this is the voltage. So this is the reading of the power meter. Okay, so the rest the rest is other data, but my interest just to give you the most entry level functional demo. Okay, which is this is the voltage. Okay, I think this may be the current or whatever, but you have to read through the details of the power meter. But the next interest is how do I reach out to the VSD to control the motor. Okay, so I going to open up another Modbus pool again. Okay, and let me place it over here. See if I can place it over here. Okay, good. Okay, good. So connect up again. Okay, but instead of 502, I changed it to 3 because I want to reach out to the other port. Okay, the IP address remain the same, 192.168.0.249, and press OK. So once I reach out, you see, I already get a value of 4 over here already. But I need to get a value of 16 over here. 16. Okay, let's change to 16. Okay, so based on the menu. Okay, based on the menu. Okay, let me trigger this. Change this format to binary. Okay, and based on understanding, if I turn on the second bit, the motor will start turning. Okay, before I do that, okay, let's enlarge my picture. Okay, so notice okay, I'm going to turn on the motor by turning on the bit over here, bit number 2. Okay, observe. Okay, observe, and the motor will start to turn. Okay, and it's reaching out to the speed of 60 hertz. Okay, 60 hertz now. Okay, so I think there will be okay, the power meter is reading more activity now. Okay. Okay, if but just in case you have interest on the power meter, okay, what I can do is I can reach out to the power meter. The power meter should be this power meter. Okay, if you have interest of the power meter, okay, the current. This is the current. Okay, current and power. Okay, so let me extract the current. Okay, this is current. Again, change it to the format of 32-bit. Okay, so okay, now it's very because the motor is relatively small, so this is the current intake. Okay, okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the speed of the motor, okay, by changing the frequency over here. Okay, let's say change to 10 hertz, okay, which there's a decimal place, two decimal space shift, okay. So immediately when I press enter, okay, the motor will change to 10. I think there will be a significant change in the current also. Yeah. Okay. Okay, maybe I can shift this a bit. So this is the voltage, this is the current. Okay, let me increase the speed, maybe to the faster speed. I don't know whether there's a limit or not. Let's try. Okay, good. So now we are trying running at a faster speed. Okay, notice the ampere reach out. Okay, okay. Let me set it back to 60 because okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch off the motor and observe the current will be go back to 0. Okay, let me try this. Switch off bit number 2, and the motor will. Okay, there's a slight surge observe, and it go back to 0. Wow. So with this, I end my presentation. Thank you.